Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best drone with camera available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Potensic GPS drone. I almost lost my shot to sudden violent wind. Every drone I tried toppled, crashed, and ruined memories. I thought professional aerial footage was out of reach. Then I unfolded a pocket drone that felt unreal. Potensic SE, under 249G, no FAA registration required. Foldable, fits jacket pocket. Ready for instant adventure anywhere. Brushless motor fights level 5 wind. It stayed steady. Sony 130 sensor shoots 12mm photos, silky 4K 30 videos. Shake Velcase gives buttery smooth footage even in motion. 3 smart batteries, 60W parallel charger, 93 minutes total. PixSync 2.0 delivers up to 4km HD low latency feed. GPS auto return, follow me, waypoints. You always control safety. Surge Fly beginner mode makes learning fast, confident, and fun. I captured cinematic travel shots I thought impossible before. If you travel or create, grab SE now. At number 2 is the DJI Neo Fly More Combo mini drone. What if your drone fits in your pocket, truly? Meet DJI Neo, 135G, lighter than many smartphones. No FAA registration, no remote ID, grab-and-go freedom. Palm takeoff, press once, launch from your hand instantly. Controller-free flight, voice control, mobile app, or RC. Subject tracking follows you smoothly. Vlog like a pro. 8 quick shots modes create cinematic clips automatically, effortlessly. 4K ultra-stabilized video, level 4 wind resistance ensures smooth footage. Full coverage propeller guards let you fly confidently indoors. Fly More Combo, RCN3, 3 batteries, charging hub included. Extended flight time for long shoots, adventures, family events. Dip dive, perform precise aerial acrobatics with confidence. Perfect for creators, outdoor lovers, families capturing memories. Compact, regulation-friendly design fits backpack or pocket easily. Ready to level up your footage? Choose DJI Neo Fly More. At number 3 on our list is the Holy Stone HS440G drones. What if your camera fits in your palm and flies? No registration, under 250 grams. Fly anywhere instantly. Foldable design tucks into a backpack or jacket pocket. Capture 4K UHD photos, cinematic detail from above, real-time 2K FPV up to 1,040 feet range. 120-degree wide-angle lens captures sweeping panoramic perspectives effortlessly. Smart GPS, follow me, waypoints, point of interest mapping. Lost signal? Auto return brings it safely home automatically. Brushless motors deliver stable flight and smooth control. Up to 23 minutes per battery. Shoot longer. One key takeoff and landing makes flying worry-free instantly. Responsive two-way controller with GPS and GLONASS reliability. Set waypoints, film cinematic moves while hiking hands-free. Includes compact storage bag, ready for spontaneous adventures. Holy Stone HS440G, pocketable 4K drone. Order yours today. Moving up at number is the DJI Avata 2 Fly FPV Drones. Indoor shoots felt impossible. Shaky, bulky gear, constant crashes. Controls were complicated. I missed cinematic shots every single time. Fear of skidding into walls ruined creative confidence during flights. Editing shaky, claustrophobic footage wasted hours and killed momentum. Scrolling late night, I stumbled upon DJI Avata 2 Fly More. One photo showed ducted guards and goggles. Instantly intrigued me. The motion control hooked me. Fly with simple, natural hand gestures. No joystick fumbling. Shoots felt intuitive, playful, and shockingly precise. Built-in propeller guards let me confidently film tight indoor sequences. Super wide 155 to 4K captured immersive POV shots I never imagined. Goggles feedback felt cockpit real. Immediate creative inspiration during every flight. Battery life and 1-battery combo kept shoots efficient, not interrupted. Imagine producing cinematic POV reels effortlessly, ready to level up. Are you waiting or shooting? So will you seize this FPV upgrade? Click now, grab the Fly More combo, and start flying fearless. At number 5 is the Velcase camera drone. Capture stunning aerial memories with an easy-to-fly 1080p drone. Perfect for family trips, beach days, and beginner pilots. Foldable compact design fits into its included carry case. Dual removable batteries deliver up to 26 minutes flight. Adjustable 1080p HD camera with FPV real-time smartphone viewing. 90-degree tilt captures wide landscapes and close-up details. One-key takeoff and landing simplifies every flight start and finish. Optical flow and altitude hold stabilized shots for crisp footage. 3 speed modes grow with your skill from beginner to expert. Gesture and voice controls take photos hands-free, super convenient. 360-degree flips, waypoint flight, and orbit mode unlock creative shots. Includes propeller guards, spare blades, remote batteries for safety. 24-hour technical support and hassle-free refund guarantee. Kids and travelers capture memories like professional content creators. Ready to fly? Get yours today and elevate every adventure.